Hi guys, today you will learn the difference between state and action verbs. Now, I guess that you probably know that state verbs describe states and action verbs describe actions, but let's go into some more details. I will start with state verbs. They can also be called stative or non-continuous. They refer to opinions and perception, senses, emotions, possession, and state of being.
Know, imagine, agree, believe, understand, doubt, approve, guess, mean, think, recognize, suppose, prefer, remember, suspect, disagree. I strongly disagree with her. She believes you. I think they prefer coffee.
Now, state verbs are usually not used in continuous tenses. It is possible with some of them, but it also changes their meaning a little bit, and I will talk about it in another video, probably next week. But no, normally we don't use them in continuous tenses, and that's why we also don't say,
I am strongly disagreeing with her. She is believing you. I'm thinking they are preferring coffee. Appear, smell, hear, see, feel, seem, look, resemble, taste.
your hair smells nice. She looks quite happy. They appear to be lost.
Like, love, hate, want, dislike, wish, desire, need.
I love sports cars. Emma really likes you. We want more food.
Have, own, possess, belong, owe.
I owe you some money. We have 2 guitars. I own this car.
Measure, weigh, contain, involve, consist, cost, depend, exist.
My book consists of 3 parts, not 2. He weighs too much. Your financial success depends on how motivated you are. Now let's move on to action verbs. They can also be referred to as active or dynamic. They describe actions.
We often watch TV. Tom always helps me with my plans. She usually walks after dinner.
The important thing about these verbs is that they can be used in continuous tenses.
We're watching TV right now. Tom will be helping me with my plans in the evening. She was walking after dinner.
Okay, I hope everything is clear now, so let's do the exercise. You can watch this video to learn some more grammar, give this video a like if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel to be up to date with my online English lessons. Have a great day and I'll see you next time. Bye!